It's a 2016 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably Audi. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, and intercooled supercharged V6 engine. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Looking for an unbeatable deal? Come to Bale Chevrolet. We look forward to helping you at Bale Chevrolet.